In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Task Template Asana. We're going to walk through a simple, repeatable way to create task templates inside a project using the Customize menu. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means, so you can save time and keep your projects consistent. First, make sure you're logged into Asana and looking at the project where you want to use a template. This is important because templates are tied to a specific project, so you want to be in the right place before you start. Open your project from the sidebar or from your home screen and wait for the project view to fully load. Once your project is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click that. The Customize panel will slide out from the side of the screen. This panel controls a lot of your project's structure and settings, including fields, rules, and, in our case, task templates. In the Customize panel, scroll down until you find the section called Task Types and Templates. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling slowly. It's usually a little lower in the list. When you find Task Types and Templates, you'll see an option that says Add Task Type. Click on the plus icon or the text that says Add Task Type to start creating a new one. A small menu will appear with a couple of options. From here, choose Create New. This tells Asana that you want to build a brand new task type and template from scratch instead of using an existing one. Next, you'll be asked to name your template. This name is very important because it's how you and your team will recognize and reuse it later. Try to choose a clear descriptive name that reflects what the task is for, like Client Onboarding Task or Weekly Report Task. Once you've typed in a name you're happy with, click Create Type. At this point, Asana will create your new task type and template. From here, you can start customizing the template's details, such as the description, subtasks, assignee, and due date rules, depending on your needs. And that's it. You've just created a new task template in Asana using the Customize menu, ready to be reused across your project whenever you need it.